I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your PayPal digital wallet in store. First, understand that PayPal offers a convenient and secure way to pay at physical stores. You can link various payment methods, like your bank account or credit cards, directly to your digital wallet. This allows for quick and easy transactions, often completed in just a few seconds, without needing your physical cards. Before heading to the store, ensure your PayPal digital wallet is ready. Open the PayPal app on your smartphone and locate the Scan and Pay option, usually found prominently on the home screen. Take a moment to confirm that your desired payment method, whether it's a bank account or a specific card, is set as your default. Enabling location services can also streamline the payment process. When you are ready to pay at the store, simply look for the PayPal acceptance logo or a QR code at the checkout counter. Open your PayPal app and tap the Scan/Pay button, which will activate your phone's camera. Point your camera at the merchant's QR code. Once scanned, review the transaction details, including the amount, and confirm your purchase directly within the app. It's that simple. Using PayPal in stores offers several advantages. Your financial details remain private, as you are not directly sharing your card numbers with the merchant. All your transactions are conveniently recorded within the app, making budgeting and tracking expenses straightforward. Also, keep an eye out for exclusive discounts or reward points that PayPal sometimes offers for in-store purchases. Always confirm the store accepts PayPal before initiating payment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.